Hello guys. The agenda today would be discussing the XML parser transformation. So as you can see over here, I have a source definition file and I have my source file over here. Now this is as you can see, this is an XML markup, right? I can see a set of values for an employee like ID, name and salary, right? So I need to extract these values. I need to parse this XML markup. So I need XML parser transformation for that, and that is precisely our agenda today. So I'll start with importing this definition, this flat file definition into my Informatica designer. So I'll just say all files and I'll search for this XML source over here, and it says I click on next and next, and I just name it as XML markup over here. So I say finish, and since this definition is already existing, I say replace. Okay, so I save this thing, then I go to my mapping, I say create XML parser transformation. This is my mapping that I'll be creating over here, and effectively I have my flat file definition that contains the XML markup, and I need to parse that, and I need to build my XML parser transformation. So based on a schema definition file that will describe the elements, what all elements I will be having, then I need to use to capture the values, right? So I'll use this S60 file. Before that, I just wanted to show the structure that I have. It is very similar to the markup. Okay, so that structure says employee being the root element, ID, name and salary being the child element. So this schema definition conforms to the XML markup that is present in our flat file, right? So we will build our XML parser transformation on this schema. So I say open and I click on next, I say finish, right? So I'll just connect my XML markup to the data input port for the XML parser transformation. As you can see over here, I have a data input port that will collect all the markup, and I have output ports that just got created out of the schema definition file that I used to create this XML parser. So I can see ID, name and salary being three different ports created. So I'll just go to my target. I already have that in place. So it's just a flat file again, and I'm collecting the values of ID, name and salary in a flat file. So I will just connect them and I say Control S, and I'll generate my workflow to run this mapping, and let's see. Let's refresh the folder that I already opened in my workflow manager, and I say, and I will look for that workflow, and this is the one that I have. I'll just simply, connections are okay, right? I've already pointed it to the correct connections. So we will just run this thing and we will look for, as you see, it got succeeded. So we'll look for our target file that just got created over here. So as you can see, all the values, right, from the markup, they got collected into a flat file for target. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.